Fixing this Toro Briggs lawnmower. Pull cord. I got stuck. So these were the pieces that came out. As you can see, the engine. And so trying to put back together this pull cord. This is the piece that goes in there. It's pretty simple. All you got to do is wrap the cord or the coil. I don't know if you can see this, but there's a little latch there. You put the coil right in there and it sits right in there like that, as you can see. And then you have to tighten the coil, and then you place it inside here and latch the outer hook right here. This is the outer hook onto this piece right there. See, you can see that it latches on like that. And so we're going to go ahead and do that real quick and see how far we can get. So what you want to do is tighten this coil. All right, that right space, bam, right there, like that. So tighten it. See, what I do is I just pull on it, tighten mine. Right, you gotta be somewhat strong to hold this. Just wound it up like this. Right, and then what I'm going to do is make certain I can fit this. Yep, okay, fit that. Make certain I can fit it inside, which I can. And then what I'm gonna do is like I said, connect the coil right here. Hold your thumb on it, connect it, boom, it's in there. Let it spin out a little. That. All right. Okay, we're good. So now what we want to do, pull that cord inside. Okay. This is the tricky part. Gotta make certain that thing is latched onto it. So let's pull this in a little bit more. So I have some string onto there. Okay. Got that locked on there. Just wind it a little. Pull it out. Gonna wind it a little. And then place it back on there. Make certain that rope is in between. There we go. There we go. We got our coil. All right, so now what we want to do is take this piece, place it back on top. Like that. So secure. And place this piece right back onto this. Now, have some strong hands for that. All right. don't know if you can see that little black piece right there, right here. But you want to take this piece right here and wrap it around this piece right here. So all you got to do is just open it up a little. Push it. Boom. Just like that. See? It's in there. I don't know if you can see it. All right. All right, you guys. Last off, I was trying to fix my pull cord. As you can see, didn't work out too well, just because the coil itself inside was not working right. Every time I try to wound up the rope, as you can see, it will stick. So I went and did some more investigation on what I could do, and came across a couple YouTubers who were talking about how to replace or change their pull cord. And what they did was they just replaced it. So I then went on Amazon and purchased this, which is basically the same thing as this. As you can see, got this from Amazon. Came out to be, I believe, around $23. Pretty much the same, right? Pretty much the same right there. See? Pretty much the same. So this is for all you out there who are having pull cord issues with your lawnmower, particularly a TORO BRIGGS Stratton. Instead of actually going out there to, replace your lawnmower, you could just buy you a new pull cord and replace that. And that's what I'm about to do. Let's see here. It's sealed like a bug in the rug. Now all I need are screws. It's not as a bug. Let's work.